All right, folks, so coming back to you with another project. This one, very huge project. This is a 2019 RS5. The special thing about this car is that this color that you see before you is a one of one. This is the only Audi RS5 in the United States in this particular color, right? So beautiful color, very vibrant. The customer wanted something different, so he got that, but he wanted to take it up another notch. So we're gonna give a custom flair to this. If you come on over here, we already started this, but this is the original color of the actual vehicle, right? So gloss finish, and so what we're doing is actually giving it the best of both worlds. We're gonna give it a custom look in addition to protecting this vehicle for years to come from rock chips, abrasions, any kind of scratches, the contaminants from outside the elements. So what we're doing is covering this entire vehicle front to back, top to bottom with our Stealth paint protection film. This is Xpel Stealth. This is 8.5 mils thick, but instead of giving it the gloss finish, we're now converting that over to a nice satin finish. So we're dulling down the color just a tad bit. In addition to that, we have already protected the interior from the UV rays and also all that extreme heat from outside with our highest grade window tint. This is Xpel's Prime XR Plus. We went with 35% less all the way around, so that has already been installed. We've also applied 70%, so that way we will not impede any of the vision during nighttime, but he's also getting that fantastic 98% heat rejection coming through the windshield. All right, in addition to that, we have to get him a new set of rollers, right? So we can't have him doing all this work and have him still sitting on those stock wheels. Nothing against Audi stock wheels, but we can do better than that. So we're getting him some HRE wheels, flow forms in satin black. That's to go ahead, and we're giving it a nice custom offset, so it's gonna be a little bit more aggressive, a little bit wider, and 20 inches all the way around like he has right now from the factory. So we're happy to go ahead and get working on this. Stay tuned for the end results on that. Hope you like what you saw. If you're new to the channel, do me a favor, stop, like, and subscribe. And until next time, keep it simple. See you in the next video.